Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito, March 29, Biyernes Santo. Huwag makalimutan magsimba mamaya, lalo alas 3, yung veneration of the cross. Ang ebanghelyo ngayon ay ang Passion according to San Juan. Sabi ng ebanghelyo, Jesus knew all was now finished, and in order to fulfill what was written in Scripture, he said, "I'm thirsty." A jar full of bitter wine stood there, so putting a sponge soaked in wine on a twig of hyssop, they raised it to his lips. Jesus took the wine and said, "It is accomplished." Then he bowed his head and gave up his spirit. He did not quit hanggang naganap na, hanggang na-accomplish na ang pinagawa ng Ama. Many times he had the temptations to quit. Even in Gethsemane, he asked, "Please, if it's possible, remove the chalice from me." Ayaw niya mamatay. He was very human like us, bagamat Diyos. But he did not quit. He refused the temptation to quit, na hindi pa ganap, na hindi pa tapos. At yun po isang malaking invitation sa ating na kapag hindi mo natapos, huwag sumuko. Kapag hindi mo na-accomplish, don't give up. Don't quit on your plans, on your dreams, on your studies, on your relationships. Don't quit hanggang hindi naganap na, hindi na-accomplish na, hindi natapos ang pinapagawa ng Diyos sa iyo. Yes, mahirap. Yes, minsan puno ng hirap, ng luha, ng kapighatian. Yes, it is heavy. Yes, nakaka-stress, nakakalito, nakakabigat. But the kingdom is not for quitters. Isang malaking paanyayang krus ni Jesus. Huwag mag-quit. Huwag mag-give up hanggang hindi pa ganap. Keep fighting until you accomplish ang pinapagawa ng Diyos sa buhay mo. Dahil ang hirap is not a sign that you are not doing the work of God, but is a sign that you are accomplishing ang pinapagawa ng Diyos. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pass it on. Punuin natin ng good news ang social media. Gawin natin viral araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. And God bless.